You're welcome back to the show Help Monitor Your Guide to Good Health. This is the body care segment. And today on body care, I want to take questions based on what we have been talking to you about stem cells, okay? We received some feedback, questions from viewers, and I want to take those questions. So please, you better take a listen, because I'm sure as we answer somebody else's question, we'll be answering your own question, okay? But before that, I want to welcome my beautiful ladies to the show once again. Ebere and Amaka, you're most welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right, so the first question is, can stem cells or double stem cells help in the treatment of sores, scars, or wounds?
Okay.
All right,
Thanks.
Ebere.
The answer is yes.
Okay, and how
Stem
does that
cell
happen? How does it
can
happen?
take care of wounds, sores, diabetes, gangrene, and any type of scar, no matter how long it has been. Now, because we are made of cells, the double stem cell regenerate those cells, reactivate those cells, rejuvenate dead cells. Non-functional cells are empowered to start functioning again. We've had cases of those with diabetic gangrene whose sores have even gone very deep. But with the administration of double stem cell and triple stem cell, because double stem cell, you ingest it under the tongue and it goes to the brain. The brain will supply it to the cell that is damaged. And then the triple stem cell is like a spray that you use on the sore. And surprisingly, you will find out that a new flesh will start coming out. And before you know it, the sore is healed completely.
Without any scars?
Without any scars.
I actually saw some of those. I can't show them on the screen because it's really offensive to the eyes, so I won't be able to show viewers. Okay, Amaka, how do you want to add to what she has said?
Okay, with stem cell, there's nothing like amputation.
Okay, you don't need to amputate them.
You don't need to amputate. But it's a pity that when you see people and talk to them, they feel it's not possible. Stem cell is a cellular-based therapy. So when it comes in through the brain, it will get to the particular cell that has been damaged. And it begins to rebuild that particular cell right from within. I've had cases, people that have traveled abroad, gone around the whole world, trying to heal a particular sore. With some packs of the whole stem cell, the sore was healed. And wow. So what we're trying to say is, stem cell is here. No more amputation. It doesn't matter how deep the wound or the sore has gone. Once stem cell comes in, we'll begin to build it, begin to generate, gradually,
and the cells become healed. Yes. God is wonderful. And God has actually put a mechanism in place for those cells to help the body to regenerate and then to cover the skin. Okay, so the second question that we received during the week is the fact that, is it possible for double stem cells to take care of aging? You know, some people, they're just 30, but they look 40 or they look 50.
Yes.
How can double stem cells help them? Does it have anti-aging effects? And if it does, how is the therapy like? So that one can actually, if not look younger than your age, at least stay within your age limit. Look within your age limit. So you don't look older than your real age.
Double stem cell, we know it as cellular rejuvenation secret. So it is that secret that rejuvenates your cells. And by the time you use it, you know, sometimes you see two people, they are age mates. One is looking much younger, and the other one is looking older. Probably because of issues of life and then diet as well. Okay. But with double stem cell, you are well able to take care of those wrinkles that are not supposed to be there in the first place. Then peradventure, due to age too, you have advanced and you want to look younger. By the time you take double stem cells, it goes to revitalize your cells and make them active. By the time they become active, you will in turn look younger. Imagine when we were growing up, they told us that an adult cannot grow tooth. The reason for that is because the stem cell in that cavity region is no longer active. But we have seen cases where someone is treating diabetes, for instance. And of course, you will agree with me that an adult who extracted tooth 2-3 years back and the tooth is no longer aching or disturbing, he will not want to go out of his way to try to grow back the tooth. But as a result of treating another health challenge, he discovered that, wow, the tooth has grown back. And you now wonder, initially when I saw it happen, I was wondering, but I still remember that, okay, as an adult, you cut your nails, it grows back, just like children. Then how is it that an adult cannot grow tooth? It was until when I came in contact with double stem cell that I find out the secret. And it's not only in growing teeth, but in the reactivation and regeneration and rejuvenation of the entire system. That is the reason why you can use double stem cell and your age is renewed and you look
and
younger.
then you look younger.
Yes.
Your skin looks
Radiates,
younger.
yes.
That's great. Okay, our last question now that we received during the week is this. How is it that double stem cells can help manage all kinds of diseases, all degenerative diseases? You talk about double stem cells, you talk about kidney disease, heart disease,
High
blood pressure, diabetes. How is that possible?
It is very possible.
How?
Because
How is it? Okay.
man is not made up of pills.
Man is made up of
Cells. Yes.
100 trillion cells.
Cells.
Okay.
That when they are functioning very well, the person will live well and good. Now, apart from asking us the question of how possible is it to take care of all those things, some people see our testimonies and they said it looks fabricated, but we'll smile. The reason being that man, before double stem cell, has not been able to achieve the kind of result we are achieving with the advent of double stem cell. Yes, because man is not made of pills. That's why they cannot get that kind of result. Man is made of cells. And what double stem cell does is not to go and start treating one ailment or the other. No. Double stem cell, when it goes to your system, it will start reactivating the cells. When it feels the cells, it now empowers the body to heal itself.
Okay, so it's a natural healing process.
Yes, it's unlike pills that treats the symptoms. Double stem cell goes to the root cause and then ensures that it fixes the cell that has been damaged and then make it to start working normally again.
And in the process, it will treat other underlying sicknesses and disease.
Yes.
That is why they tell you that it treats. Why does it treat everything?
Yes.
Okay,
so
it's understood.
your duty is just to ingest double stem cell in your system.
And leave it to do what it's supposed to do.
When whatever thing it discovers that is not functioning well,
it will
fix it, yes.
Without,
we've had scenarios. I had a friend who had ulcer. And by the time she was taking double stem cell, she told me that the process is slow. I said, I promised her to just relax and do what I asked her to do. That her job is to ensure that she ingests double stem cell under her tongue early in the morning on an empty stomach. She continued it. Over time, she discovered that she can now read without her glasses. And of course, I told her that she would have to pay me because she told me it's ulcer she was treating. And now her eyes has gone. Ulcer eventually gone. And her answer was, but you told me it would take care of other things.
Yeah, so both of you are actually
kind
correct.
Of testimonials you get when you use double stem cell. And that explains the reason why it can take care of any sickness or disease that is found in the system.
Because it's a natural process.
Yes. And so the only way you can know if it will do that is by taking it.
Yes.
So we are challenging you. Call us today. Get a pack of double stem cell and tell us your own testimony.
Okay. So, Amaka now.
Okay, when we talk about the stem cell, it looks so Is this really true?
It looks like a miracle.
Yeah, it's a miracle. I can't explain it. But God, I don't know how God did it. You know, to get a fruit that has the same epigenetic factor with the human cell.
God made that fruit there in the
Yeah,
first
it was
place.
a special fruit. You know, when I treated my baby and I was actually treating the gums. We're not really talking about the heart. He's had heart problem from birth and we're just concentrating on the gums. But I remember Ebele told me that if peradventure there is any other issue in that baby system, stem cell will trace it out and settle it. I said, well, don't worry. You know, by the time we concentrated on the gums and gradually the gums were healed, and after treating the gum, it was like the heart wasn't, the issue wasn't coming back. My baby came back, you know, and this was something else. For months, that was how it was settled till today. So when we talk about it, it's real. When the stem cell comes in, it settles the whole cells, settles every issue, every ailment. The cells are rejuvenated and you come out clean and beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Before the advent of stem cell, the treatment we get is differentiated treatment. You cannot have a problem with your eyes and you now go to a dentist to take care of it.
No.
But with the advent of stem cell, you have a problem with the eyes as you are treating it, and you have a problem with the tooth. It goes, the same treatment you are giving to the eyes goes to the tooth as well.
So both dentists,
It gives undifferentiated treatment. Yes.
ophthalmologists, dentists, all of them.
Yes. Double stem cell is a branch, is an aspect of regenerative medicine that takes care of every other thing that before now, doctors take care of them individually. So it gives an undifferentiated treatment. That is the reason why it is able to take care of
so many
diseases
at
the same time.
We can now understand how it works because the cells in the body are rejuvenated and they are empowered to repair, to repair the dead cells, and it triggers the mechanism to find treatments for all kinds of degenerative diseases in the body.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I hope the person that sent in that question got the answer, okay? But in case you didn't get it, call the number on the screen, and I'm sure she'll be willing to re-educate you on how double stem cells can actually take care of so many degenerative diseases. Ladies, thank you for coming once again.
Thank you.
And viewers, thank you for watching this part of the show, Health Monitor. We definitely return shortly with health tips.